You are going to love the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.